Hi everyone. Now I am starting with comment tool under documentation category. In alteryx, the comment tool is a tool used for adding comments and annotations to your workflow. It doesn't affect the data flow or processing of your workflow, rather, it's a way to document and explain your workflow for yourself and others who may be reviewing or working with it. You can use the comment tool to add explanations, reminders, or descriptions about specific parts of your workflow. This can be particularly helpful for clarifying complex logic, documenting assumptions, or providing context for future users or collaborators. To use the comment tool, simply drag it from the toolbar onto the canvas where you want to add a comment. Then, double-click on the tool to open the configuration window where you can type your comment. You can resize the comment box and move it around the canvas as needed to fit your workflow layout. Comments added using the comment tool are visible within the alteryx designer interface, making it easier for you and others to understand and work with your workflow. Then after, the Explorer Box tool in alteryx is a tool used for creating interactive, visual data exploration interfaces within an alteryx workflow. It allows you to build custom data exploration interfaces tailored to your specific analysis needs. Overall, the Explorer Box tool empowers users to create customized, interactive data exploration interfaces within their alteryx workflows, facilitating deeper understanding and analysis of the underlying data. Then after, tool container is a visual organizational element used to group related tools together within a workflow. It serves to enhance the clarity and organization of the workflow canvas, particularly in larger and more complex workflows. Tool container is a visual organizational element used to group related tools together within a workflow. It serves to enhance the clarity and organization of the workflow canvas, particularly in larger and more complex workflows. See this tools how this are working.